Hi, welcome back to PIXIPACE, and this is Adobe Photoshop tutorial part 6, in which we are going to learn about slice tool, which is a hidden tool of crop tool. And in Adobe Photoshop tutorial part 5, I already explained about the crop tool and perspective crop tool. I suggest you to watch that tutorial first. And it's my personal view that this slice tool, is going to be a favorite tool of web designers because this tool is especially meant for our designers. At the end of video, you'll realize that my words are true. This is going to be a very useful tool for you. So okay guys, to use the slice tool you need to right click on crop tool because this is a hidden tool of crop tool, and here you can find the slice tool and slice select tool. You can also use the shortcut of slice tool, that is shift plus C 2 times and 3 times if you are on any other tool. Here I'm going to use the slice tool. Now I'd like to explain you about what is a slice tool and what is the purpose of slice tool. Slice tool crop any image or document into small slices or pieces which can be used for a website. But if you want to export slices, then you have to save it as a web so that you can find these slices or pieces of your picture including HTML of that document. Let's understand it while doing practical. So here I used the slice tool while right clicking on this. Here is a slice tool under the crop. Now you can understand this is a one slice, and if I want more slices of that, then I can draw it personally, like here. Here you can find one slice is here. You can see a light brown lines, light brown borders here, which is a slice. And here's one slice, and one slice is here, which is a selected little bit yellowish, little bit bluish border. You can find it's a slice of that picture. Suppose I wanna 12 different slices of that picture, and all the slices I want in a same size and resolution. So it means it would be difficult if I draw 12 slices via hand. So for that I can simply right click on our slice, and here you can find divide slice, and I can divide it in a horizontally and vertically. And suppose I wanna 12, so I'll divide it by 3, and here you can find 1 2 3 pieces already divided. And for vertically I'll click 4. Here you can find 1 2 3 1 2 3 4. Our document is divided into 12 different slices. Now simply click on OK. Here you can find the light blue border on our picture, and it divided into 12 different slices, which is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 and 12. And here you can also check this is the 12 piece of our slice. There are more functions of that, like on right click you can find the edit slice options. It's for if you wanna add the name of any picture or name of any particular slice. Suppose this is slice 1, so I can give a name of that slice, that is top. You can fill the URL of every slice, like you can give the different URL of every slice. because it will automatically export the HTML file too. That's why they are asking the URL, but this is all, these options are optional. If you don't need any kind of URL, then it's completely up to you. These functions are optional. Here you can find the target, message text, alt tag, and this is for web designers. If you are designing the website using HTML CSS, then you can understand it better. Here all the options related to website design are available. Now I don't want to fill any kind of URL, so I simply click on OK. Now after that, here you can find another options, that is a style. On style, like you fix ratio and fix size, it means here you can fill the ratio. If you want to draw a freehand slice, then you can also fix the width and height by using ratio and size. But we can also use the options like divide slice. I already show you by right clicking on any document. So this is about it. Now after that, let's export this. For exporting, go to file and export, then simply click on save for web. You can also use the shortcut, that is command option shift plus S for Mac user, and if you are a Windows user, then it is control alt shift plus S. Then there is no need to change any kind of property on this panel, and you can also find it here, 12 pieces of a document. After I simply click on save and choose your destination where you want to save. When you click on save, then you can find three options here, like format, you wanna HTML only, you wanna images only, like pieces which you cropped by using the slice tool, or you wanna both images and HTML. Here I wanna HTML and images both, so I simply click on choose this option, HTML and images settings. There is no need to change any kind of setting, which is by default is the best. And all slices, yes, I want all slices, and simply click on save. Now it automatically converted this document into 12 different slices. Here you can find the HTML and images in 12 pieces. Here is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Now let's check the HTML of this. For better understanding, I'm going to use Google Chrome and using a Adobe Dreamweaver. But no worries, you can also use Notepad. But if you are a web designer, then you may know it better and you can use it as per your like software requirements, and which software do you have, you can open on that software. Here you can find it automatically export and managed it in a table. Here you can find table, here is a table row, here is a table data image, and here you can find slice 1, slice 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. In table row there is a 4 slices. In a second row again there are 4, and in a third row there are 4. So you can find it here. It automatically exported HTML of these slices and managed these slices into a table. For making it more interesting, I'm going to use a little bit of animation by using a style sheet, and I already copy it. I don't want to waste your time by writing one by one word, so I simply copy this code, and here is a head. In the head section I paste the style. So I'm going to use these classes in these images. So we are here in a Google Chrome in which you can find the document. Now you can check in HTML file. We added the some CSS filters on hover. So here you can find every different slice. Now let's move to the last tool of this crop tool, that is slice select tool. It means it will select any particular slice. Suppose there are 12 slices of our document, and if you want to export any particular slice, then you simply need to use that slice select tool, and you need to press on any slice and it will automatically select that piece of crop image. I'm going to click on 12. It means it will select the 12 slice of our document, and you can see this now. All the slices colors are blue and color of 12 slice is brown because this is selected. And if you want to select any other slice, then you can click on any slice area and it will automatically select according to your commands. So it's a really time saving process to crop any image. Like web designers mostly get a template with 100 of layers, and it's really difficult to export all the images one by one or in a same dimension or resolution size. So for that, always use slice tool and you can export only those selected slices, and you can also export the HTML file of these slices. So it's really a time saving and energy saving process. I hope you learned something from this tutorial, and if you really learned something or if you have any kind of question, then please don't forget to share your views in our comment section, and I'll post that CSS code that I used on a hover on in the description so that you can also use it and do your practical, and so that you can learn more while doing your practical. So again, share PIXIPACE YouTube channel and don't forget to subscribe it. Thank you so much for watching this video.